In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear tax information TurboTax. If you started a return and realized you chose the wrong filing status, imported the wrong documents, or just wanted a completely fresh start, clearing your tax data is the cleanest way to reset without creating a new account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. This action deletes everything you've entered in your current return for the selected tax year. It won't close your account, but it will remove your answers, forms, and uploads for that return. If you think you might need any of that information later, jot it down or save copies before proceeding. Make sure you're signed in to TurboTax online and that you're in the correct tax year you want to reset. Once your return is open, look over to the left-hand side menu. Open the Tax Tools section. This menu houses some advanced options, and that's where the reset feature lives. From there, choose Tools. A small window or panel will appear with several utilities designed to help you manage your return. Among those options, find and select Clear and Start Over. This is the command that wipes your current return so you can begin again from a blank slate. TurboTax adds a confirmation step to protect you from accidental clicks, which is important because once you confirm, you can't undo it. To finalize the reset, click. I want to clear my tax data. TurboTax will clear your entries and return you to the starting point for that tax year. From here, you can begin a brand new return. Pick the correct product and re-enter your details carefully, knowing there's no leftover information from your previous attempt. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Clear and Start Over option, it may be disabled because the return was already filed, or you've completed actions like paying for the product or registering the return. In those cases, the reset option may be unavailable. Also, if you only need to fix a couple of answers, consider editing those fields directly instead of wiping everything, since clearing is truly a full reset. That's all there is to it. Open your return, go to Tax Tools, select Tools, choose Clear and Start Over, and confirm with, I want to clear my tax data. With a fresh start, you can proceed confidently and avoid mistakes carrying over. Thanks for watching, and take your time re-entering the details to ensure everything is accurate the second time around.